बेटा अभी लगता है कि हम बहुत बड़े तोप खान हैं यहाँ पे सिलेबस खत्म करके, फिर भूलोगे और ऐसे भूलोगे. Let's say you started the batch on 1st of August. These 2 months we will give to the consolidation. We will ensure that we are able to revise the syllabus 1st October until almost 15 December. We will focusing on the PYQs from 1st January onwards until almost end of February. Again live we will meeting for the prelims boot camp. Let's try to do something extra ना, अपना एफर्ट देते हैं, फिर देखते हैं रिजल्ट क्या आता है. First is brief and plan from now. Brief and plan from now. Let's say you started the batch on 1st of August. ठीक है, पहले वालों के लिए the September is the buffer. Complete your backlog, do whatever, give time on the brainstorming, write some PYQs on your own. You have the buffer as the September. Use it as you want. For rest, from 1 September, from 1 August to let's say 30th of September, these 2 months we will give to the consolidation. That is, we will ensure that we are able to revise the syllabus, big subjects in one day. Quality है from the mains perspective, I have to revise that in one day. From prelims perspective, I have to revise that in one day. It is only possible if you have the summaries. And if you will make the summaries with us, they are one of the best comprehensive summaries. But I am not saying they are the complete ones. When you write the PYQs, then you have to use the interlinkages. I cannot teach you in the classes the impact of unemployment on the poverty, the impact of unemployment on the hunger, the impact of unemployment on the inequality, the impact of unemployment on the infrastructure, the impact of unemployment on the growth. I cannot teach you all those dimensions. So how to interlink all of it when we are writing the answers is my task in the Eklavya. That is what I have to teach you in the Eklavya. ठीक है, but syllabus perspective से whatever we are doing in the Vajra is more than sufficient. Don't worry. ठीक है, so this will go to the summaries. For prelims, you have to do the prelims boot camp. Again, I have seen some of the students who are confused. This you have to ask your mentor in the WhatsApp group as per your time availability. If you don't have any time, if you have not got the time so far, reserve your September for the prelims boot camp summaries. You have that at the buffer. Those who have started early. Others try to match up with the pace. Mains will be live. This will be live offline from, I mean the classes are ongoing, but the fresh batch will be starting from 10th of August, the last batch. From 10th of August, the cycle will end once the entire subjects are over. So make your summaries from 1st October until almost 15 December. And by 15 December, I will tell you very precisely later. What will be focusing? We will be focusing on the PYQs plus practice. And this is for mains along with the revision. Okay? And you will be making your own summaries if you want to do. This depends on you. If you want to follow the Vajra notes finally, you can do it, but I will recommend if you can write with your own hand, you will be able to retain the things. Then from 1st January onwards until almost end of February, what we'll be doing? We'll be meeting again live. Again live we will be meeting for the prelims boot camp. This will be live. You have already done this here. पिछले साल का आप कर चुके हो, इस साल का फिर से करेंगे. प्रीलिम्स से रिस्क नहीं लेंगे, कोई रिस्क नहीं लेनी. 2 बार कर लो, क्या दिक्कत क्या आ रही है? टाइम तो उतना ही देना ना, साल तो पूरा ही जाएगा तुम्हारा. पढ़ना ही तो एक्स्ट्रा है, बस पढ़ लो. इधर रिकॉर्डेड मिल गया, ऐसे कर लो. कोई डबल नोट्स नहीं होंगे मैम. मैं ही पढ़ाने आऊंगा इकोनॉमी वापस से. अमृतान सर नहीं पढ़ाएंगे, मैं ही पढ़ाऊंगा. वो अपने सब्जेक्ट पढ़ाएंगे. Whosoever is teaching with the same subject in those classes will be teaching with the same in the next year. You just sit maybe offline और घर पे बैठो आराम से. क्या दिक्कत है? तुम्हारी मर्जी है. क्लास में आना है, क्लास में बैठ के सुनो. घर पे बैठ के सुनना है, घर पे बैठ के सुनो. यू रिवाइज ना. बेटा अभी लगता है कि हम बहुत बड़े तोप खान हैं यहाँ पे सिलेबस खत्म करके, फिर भूलोगे और ऐसे भूलोगे. You will forget everything. So it is important that we revise it again. और मेरे से सुन लोगे, हमारे प्रवचन सुनोगे तो ज्यादा याद रहेगा. मेरा मैसेज आते हैं, सर आपने जो बोला था ना वो कान में गूंज रहा था करके. तो 2 बार सुन लो यार, हो सकता है यू आर एबल टू रिकॉल इट मच बेटर, है ना. तो one time here, one time here. Let's try to do something extra ना. अपना एफर्ट देते हैं, फिर देखते हैं रिजल्ट क्या आता है. देन व्हाट विल बी डूइंग, वी विल बी डूइंग द समाधान करंट अफेयर्स. ठीक है. These 5 sessions I will be taking, I will be concluding this year by end of February. I will try my best to conclude all of them by end of February so that you are ready in March to give whatever mock tests are appearing in the market. अब इसमें कुछ issues है. क्या issues हैं बताओ? What I am not considered in this timeline. First of all, I am not considered optional. है ना? Second thing, I am not considered CSET. है ना? थर्ड थिंग, आई एम नॉट कंसिडर्ड करंट अफेयर्स. है ना? एनीथिंग एल्स? कोई बोल रहा था इधर से, अ वेरी वैलिड थिंग, टेस्ट सीरीज. whatever are the tests in the Brahmastra, I have not considered it. Yeah. Make sense? इधर तक आ गए ना? ठीक है. Let's decode them one by one. Let's decode them one by one. I am starting from current affairs. Ideology is very simple. Every day 1 hour is fixed for current affairs. I don't care whether you have the Vajra classes or not. I don't care. Legit, I don't care whether your class is ending on 10 PM or 8 PM. अंकित सर हैं थोड़ा जल्दी छोड़ देंगे 8 बजे. अमृतान सर हैं वो थोड़ा 11 बजे तक छोड़ते हैं, मैं बीच में कहीं छोड़ देता हूँ. ठीक है. सो इट डिपेंड्स ऑन द फैकल्टीज टू फैकल्टीज. आई डोंट केयर. I expect you to give at least 1 hour on that day also to the current affairs. क्लास में न्यूज़पेपर लाओ, घर से पढ़ के आओ, रात को जाके पढ़ो. But that 1 hour is something which is fixed and mandatory for the newspaper. Do I make sense on this part? 1 hour daily is fixed for the newspaper. देखो, this section will be ultra complex. So you have to just take the maximum out of the section. Because now we are talking about everything. In this session only I will talk about brainstorming also. So multiple dimensions we have to talk about. Okay? But at the end of the day you will get the answers to many issues. So 1 hour daily is fixed. Then what we have to do is, in this 1 hour, for 45 minutes read the newspaper. For 15 minutes read the daily dose. Anyone who is not aware about the daily dose, क्या होता है? Anyone in the batch who don't know about the daily dose? Sir, in your Brahmastra Telegram channel, on daily basis, you are getting one PDF of the newspaper notes. On daily basis. I don't want you to take any printout. I don't want you to make any notes out of it. I just want you to read it and leave it like that. Because the same thing will appear in my monthly magazine and the same thing will appear in my Samadhan sessions. So I will myself ensure that I am delivering the same thing 3 times to you. First is in the daily dose, then in the monthly magazines, then in my Samadhan lectures. So just do not waste your time to make any notes, take the printout, open that document, make your daily habit, read it, understand it, keep it at the top of your philosophy कि समझ के करना है, रटना नहीं है. वो मेरे को पता है कब कराना है. I will get it done. ठीक है. समझ के 15 मिनट में बंद करके टेंशन फ्री कि पढ़ लिया मैंने. दैट इज इट. सॉरी, टाइम ज्यादा इसलिए लग रहा है, या तो आप बहुत उसे खोद के पढ़ रहे हैं या फिर लेट से आप याद करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. थोड़ा ना, वी हैव टू बी वेरी प्रिसाइज. इफ यू विल गिव मी 5 पेजेस, आई विल रीड इट इन 15 मिनट्स और मैक्सिमम 20 मिनट्स ले लो. ठीक है. इट विल डिक्रीज विद टाइम. इफ यू आर गिविंग 30 मिनट्स, फाइन, कोई बात नहीं. With time, try to decrease it because the news will start repeating. Let's say you're doing BRICS, you're doing, let's say, World Trade Organization, WHO. All of them will repeat on daily basis. So the time will decrease with time. ठीक है? Don't worry. So are we sorted on 1 hour daily? What is left here is long term and then monthly. Monthly we have to revise and yearly we have to revise. ठीक है? Daily हो गया, monthly बचा, yearly बचा. For monthly, on Sunday after 12, from let's say 12 to 6 PM or 7 PM, I am saying, this time please give to the monthly magazine, fix this time and post 7 PM on Sunday. See, 12 से पहले क्या करोगे संडे को? टेस्ट, ब्रह्मास्त्र का टेस्ट है आपका. So before 12, do one thing, wake up at 5 or 6. That is what you will be doing on the D day. जिस दिन एग्जाम होगा उस दिन 5 से 6 बजे उठना ही पड़ेगा, तुम्हारे हाथ में नहीं है, 9 बजे तो सेंटर पहुंचना है. So wake up at 5 to 6, revise until maybe 10, 11, give your test by 12. कोई बाउंडेशन नहीं है टाइम की. You can enter the exam hall at 11. If you want to give it on time 9:30 or 9, you give. But what I'm saying, उस दिन रिवाइज करके टेस्ट दे दो अपना. कुछ भी नहीं पढ़े हो ना पिछले 6 दिन, तो उस दिन सुबह उठाओ अपनी प्रीलिम्स बूट कैंप समरीज और वज्र समरीज, पिक दो समरीज, रिवाइज, गिव द टेस्ट. कब देना, आई एम कमिंग टू इट. हाँ, I will tell you, don't worry. Monthly magazine I will release tomorrow in a video. Just hold for it. We have reformed everything on the front of monthly magazine, monthly current affairs. So very good magazine we are publishing. So I will launch it tomorrow or maybe maximum day after tomorrow. You will be notified. So this sorts the daily, this sorts the monthly. What is left now? Yearly. Have I sorted yearly? Kaha? Samadhan. From one, see, the sources are not getting changed. Whatever you are doing daily is compiled into monthly. Whatever you are doing monthly, I am segregating it. I am teaching it from the exam point of view in my Samadhan. Source absolutely remains the same. But now the question is, can I ignore the newspaper? Please do not do it. Please read the newspaper, maybe 45 minutes, whatever news you like. बिल्कुल blanket ban मत करो उसको, है ना? And do not give more than 45 minutes. It is not justified at all. People may guide you, people will tell you, but let me tell you, I have done this calculation in my other sessions. It cannot be done, it shall not be done. Please do not do it. 45 मिनट पे न्यूज़पेपर बंद होना चाहिए. ठीक है, चलिए. So I have sorted this. Now let's come to the CSET. CSET का philosophy is very simple. CSET philosophy is very simple. अच्छा, हम I will ask the question otherwise. How many of you think you're very comfortable in CSET? कोई help नहीं चाहिए. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, few. Makes sense. Let's understand the CSET. See, I am not talking from the exam point of view. I am talking from the requirements point of view. क्या करना है, ठीक है? First of all, you have to complete the CSET syllabus without formulas. पहली चीज, I don't want you to do any topic with any formula whatsoever. If you don't believe me, open the 2023 का पेपर, 4 का पेपर, 5 का पेपर, 6 का पेपर. Even if you are able to bring 10 questions out of these 4 papers, सिर्फ 10 सवाल which can be solved through the formulas, I will consider that you can do it on your own. You cannot bring even 10 questions in 4 years which can be solved through the formulas directly. So we have to do the entire CSET without formulas. This is not SSC का exam, this is not banking का exam. Syllabus is same, but this is aptitude exam. Do not fall in the trap. Do not use any formula, tricks, types. It do not work in the final exam hall. It is very easy to apply the tricks when you are out of the exam hall. Formulas are not working. Please let's stick to the concepts. First thing. Second thing is, prerequisite is PYQs at least of 10 years. At least of 10 years PYQs. If you are weak, 1 time. If you are very weak, 2 times. If you are weak 1 time, अपने हिसाब से लिखो. If you are very weak, 2 times. If you are very weak 2 times कब होगा? First before December, and second is before February. I have seen students doing the mistake of taking the CSET beyond February. They start the CSET from February onwards. I don't know why. Let me tell you, sir and ma'am, once the notification is out, na, this act as a pressure cooker. And when you are in the pressure, na, you cannot learn anything which is new. सही बोल रहा हूँ? आप जब प्रेशर में हैं, आप कुछ नया नहीं सीख सकते. So please do not postpone both of them beyond the February. Let me write the ideal timeline. This shall be done by December. That is what I believe. And this maximum by February. Maximum, वैसे तो जनवरी लिख लो. Maximum by February. ठीक है? Then third thing is CSET practice, and fourth thing is CSET simulation. See on the board. The mistake what we are doing is na, we are considering both of them as same. मैं क्या बोल रहा हूं, if you are able to solve the question at your home na, you consider I will be able to solve it in the exam hall. If you are able to solve the question in test series na, you think you will be able to solve in the UPSC exam hall. It do not work that way. Simulation is altogether a different ball game. Simulation is you put yourself in the exam hall pressure, same pressure, maybe go to schools, give the mocks, simulate yourself. So a simple rule which I will be telling you is at least 7 mocks we have to give in the schools of CSET. GS का मत दो, CSET का दो if you are weak in CSET. Simulate yourself. So see, the idea is you are giving the CSET exam when you are exhausted. आप GS दे के बैठे हो, आप थके हुए हो, and the UPSC asking आप कर solve. Now you solve. And that too, you know, the questions are let me tell you very, you know, frankly, the questions are difficult, but the questions are aptitude oriented. You cannot solve them with the formulas. You can solve them with logic. So we have to train ourselves, है ना? And we have to be ready with this. And again, the strength which you have at Sunya IAS is me and Kuldeep. Even if you are not part of batch, we are sitting there in the office. Either you will find me or maybe Kuldeep. He is my friend, Kuldeep sir. So either I am available at the office or Kuldeep sir is available at the office. You bring your doubts, किसी भी कोचिंग का, किसी भी एग्जाम का, किसी भी ईयर का, कोई भी सवाल आप हमारे सामने ला सकते हैं. एंड वी प्रॉमिस यू वन थिंग, वी विल सॉल्व एंड वी विल सेंड यू बैक. ठीक है? So we know exactly how the things have to be done. So you can bring your things to us very precisely. ठीक है? And if you are part of any batch, CSET batch at Sunya IAS. So just to let you know, for those who want to know, I will be starting my quant from 10th of August. Sorry, 11th of August. ठीक है? So the fresh batch of CSET will be starting from 11th of August. If you are done with Vajra, start with the batch. If you can handle with the Vajra, what I will be taking the classes on Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday and Saturday. And Kuldeep sir will be taking classes on Monday and Thursday when the Vajra classes are going on. So you can skip his class because those will repeat again later. But I think if you want to be part of, I'm not selling anything, if you want to be part of the batch at Sunya IAS of CSET, if you have made the mindset, then 10 August वाले में you can sit. Because we are starting with the quant, otherwise you will be joining in midway. या तो आप कहीं नंबर सिस्टम के बाद से ज्वाइन कर रहे होगे या फिर और मे बी LR के बीच में से कहीं से ज्वाइन कर रहे होगे. तो दिस इज द बेस्ट टाइम इफ यू वांट टू ज्वाइन एंड देन लेट द थिंग्स हैपन. ठीक है? और एक और चीज है, इफ यू वांट टू बी पार्ट ऑफ CSET बैच, you can join any batch and you can continue with any batch. The classes will be continued until January end. Each batch is of 2.5 months. Let's say you joined 10th August but you didn't find yourself comfortable. You start your class maybe in September or October. साइकिल में चलता रहता है. ठीक है? So in 2.5 months you will be able to complete the entire syllabus, है ना? और 2 months. चलिए, so this is the brief about the CSET वाला issue. So if I now talk about the CSET का time management, after Vajra, daily 2 hours in the same time when you will be giving the exam. फिर से सुनेंगे आप, daily 2 hours in the same time when you will be giving the exam. That is 2 से 5 के बीच में कभी भी, 3 से 5, 2 से 4, जो भी 2 घंटे, 2 से 5 के बीच में एनी टाइम 2 hours you will be doing the CSET at least 4 days a week or 5 days a week. Not on Sunday, maybe you can skip the Saturday, but after Vajra, positively. Maybe if your Vajra is about to conclude, बहुत सारे बच्चों का शायद होने वाला. How many of you will be concluding your Vajra apart from extra classes? ठीक है, make sense, है ना? Rest you will be completing maybe in the cycle, और 10 दिन 15 दिन 20 दिन, या अभी स्टार्ट किया तो maybe after 2 months. ठीक है? चलो, तो CSET we are fixed 2 hours for 5 days in the same time we will be giving to the CSET, है ना? And कहाँ देंगे? We will be giving the time to the CSET syllabus completion, then PYQs, then practice and then simulation. ठीक है? Again, please take up anything which is not maths. Do not mistake yourself. Here quant and maths same है, सिलेबस सेम है. Number system, work and time, HDT, all of them are part of maths and quant. But the demand is quant, not maths. Aptitude की demand है, maths की demand नहीं है. Let the SSC banking वाला people do the maths. We have to do the aptitude. ठीक है. So I think I have fixed this CSET, है ना. ऑप्शन में आई विल कम वेरी शॉर्टली, टेस्ट सीरीज पे आई एम जस्ट कमिंग राइट नाउ. ठीक है.